dive deep into a topic, an interesting topic, which is the dark side of internet and gaming addiction. I'm Dahad Dilgash, and this is my partner,
Rawazana. We are both from grade 8 at Ishik Sura International School. So we want to know, what is gaming addiction? What is internet? What's gaming? And what's their addiction? So how can we prevent them to not be addicted to internet or gaming? So now let's start. The first, we have table of contents, the things that we are going to cover in this presentation.
The first one, we have introduction. Let's get introduced to the internet and gaming addiction. Let's find out what it is, and then we dive deeper into the topic.
The next one is understand. The third one is impact of mental health. The fourth one is strategies of intervention. How can we prevent to not be addicted to internet? So now let's start with the first one.
First off, the introduction. What is gaming addiction? Gaming addiction is the compulsive or excessive engagement with video games, whether it's on a device like a mobile